Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This video you will learn on how you can buy trip.com websites. So first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to open any of your web browser and then using the search bar at the top you just have to search for trip.com gift cards. Okay, and then you'll be able to see this option. Okay, so once you're here, make sure that you have logged into your trip.com account. Okay, and then after that, you'd be able to see here now the different gift cards designs that you can use. So for example, for holidays, for congrats, and for thank you. So for example, for holidays like Merry Christmas, you just have to simply tap on this one. Okay, and then you just have to choose your design. After that, you just have to choose your currency and then the amount. For example, $100. Okay, and then if you would like other amounts, you can tap it out right here as well. And then of course the number of cards you want to purchase. And for the delivery method, we have email or via links. You just have to choose your delivery method. And after that, you just have to tap it right here, the name, the email, the confirm email address, and then from. Of course, you should put your name right here. And if you would like to be anonymous, then you just have to type a random name right here. And for the contact information. Okay, then once you're done filling out these fields, you'll be able to see here now the total price details. Okay, then after that, you just have to simply tap on the pay now option. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.